That is about as fresh. You're not gonna get any fresher than that right there.
While filming with his drone at Plaster Rock in Canada, a wildlife enthusiast caught a glimpse of an incredible sight. Take a look.
Spotted 3 bulls, 2 were shedded and 1 still had both sides. And anyway, he jumped up out of his bed and shook himself and shook both antlers off on video.
Derek Keith Burgoyne was using his drone when he spotted a moose shedding its antlers.
Anyway, I'm walking in to get him. Let's go. Here we go. Following the moose tracks. Headed for a matching set that just fell off his head. Where are they? That is a fresh set of antlers right there. Nice bull. Beautiful. Yes, let's pick them up. All right, guys. This is the matching set that I spotted this bull with my drone, and he was bedded with 2 other bulls that were already shedded. And anyway, I clicked record. Luckily, he jumped up out of his bed and he ran over about 1 trail and shook himself, and both antlers fell off while I was recording my drone. This is crazy. Let's go ahead and pick him up. Yes. Here's one. Nice bull. Beautiful. There's the other one. Look at that. Nice bull. That is about as fresh. You're not going to get any fresher than that right there. That's cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He even got a souvenir from the surreal sighting. Search Daily Mail videos on Facebook for more clips like this.